Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano ang sand roasted peanut. Gumamit lamang po kami ng 1 kilo raw peanuts. And as you can see po, medyo marami-rami yung sand na ginamit namin, na actually kinuha po namin from the ocean. So, kung anumang sand or buhangin ang meron tayo sa bahay, no problem po ito. Umpisahan na po natin ang pagluluto ng peanuts. Naglagay po muna kami ng half a kilo or more upang hindi po masyadong crowded ang peanuts. Dapat po ay i-preheat po muna natin yung sand upang mainit na po ito bago po natin ilagay yung mga peanuts. So as you can see po, kailangan i-check and then halu-haluin from time to time upang hindi po masunog yung sa ilalim. Actually, roasting peanuts in a sand is an oldest cooking method. And it is good dahil intact pa rin po yung lasa niya and nutrients. Yung pagluluto po namin ito, it takes 45 minutes to 1 hour. And then, pwede na. To give you an info about peanuts, peanuts are a good source of healthful fats, protein, and fiber. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and B vitamins. Despite being high in calories, peanuts are nutrient-rich and low in carbohydrates. After 45 minutes po, ay kailangan i-check din po natin from time to time kung pwede na yung peanut, kung malutong na po yung balat. Then, salain na po natin. Ngayon, pwede na po ang ating sand roasted peanut. Ito na po ang ating finished product, ang sand roasted peanuts. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.